What's the meaning of costumier? Costumier. Costumier.
Costumier. Costumier. A costumier is someone who designs, makes, or supplies costumes for theatrical productions, films, and other types of performances. Their job is to create unique and appropriate costumes that reflect the time period, location, character, and overall vision of the production. They are responsible for sourcing fabrics, creating patterns, and overseeing fittings and alterations. The work of a costumier is essential in creating believable and visually stunning performances. Without their expertise, actors would not be able to fully inhabit their roles and transport audiences to different worlds and eras.